Today we're going to remove Bank 2 Sensor 1 oxygen sensor on this 2013 Ford Explorer. Alright, so there it is. There's our sensor right on top. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove this cover to give us a little bit more access because it looks the pigtail is running in. Alright, there's a clip right here. We're just going to go ahead and twist off to unscrew. Alright, and there it is. And let's just go ahead and put this in a nice safe location right up here. And then here there's another little clip here. We're going to use the trim tool removal to remove this one from here. Just go from underneath and work it out. Alright, and there it is. This little tab pops up and releases the clip. Just go ahead and set that up on top. Alright, and let's go ahead and pull this cover off. Be careful around this oil funnel for the motor. It looks like someone already ripped this. Yep, sure did. So just go ahead and be careful. And let's go ahead and just set this to the side. Now we have access to our oxygen sensor plug in here. So let's go ahead and push in the pigtail release clip, and let's go ahead and undo the pigtail. There it is. We're going to grab our oxygen sensor socket, and let's go ahead and place it right on the sensor. There it is. Now we're going to go ahead and break that loose. Alright, so I'm using a 1/2 inch with an adapter to 3/8 with a swivel to loosen this up, and I'm going to go ahead and break it loose. Alright, and there it is. So now let's go ahead and just drive it all the way out. You could even finish it off by unscrewing it by hand. And there it is. This look pretty burnt up, but all oxygen sensors look like that. It's the insides that count. But anyways, that is how you remove the oxygen sensor from a 2013 Ford Explorer. Stay tuned for the next video of how to install the replacement ones. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.